Oh, today you're looking at a SASSC 3000 amp 12 volt water cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 460 volt 3-phase. It's in very nice working condition, has been tested, checked here at Lanco. It is under power right now. Take a look at the wave there. Currently at 2100 amp. Very nice condition on the inside. As of right now, it does not come with a remote, but we can add a remote for an additional charge. Overall dimensions, 38 inches long by 36 inches wide by 51 inches high. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.